Welcome today in front of me HUAWEI, and I'll show you how to change slow motion speed on this device. So first you should go into the camera application. Now I just got enabled the slow motion mode, and now just to change speed of our slow motion you should just tap here on this 16x, and now just to change the speed we can change it to the 4x, or for example to the only from 16 to 4. So okay, now I'll just change it to the 4x, and now we'll just start to record slow-mo video. So tap here once, and as can you see we got here the countdown, and now we can check the slow-mo. And that was recorded video on 4x, and now we'll just check it in 16. So we'll change it to 16x, and so we'll just record. And now we'll check the second video. So as can you see, the 16x video is more slowly than the first one. So that's how to change the speed of slow motion video. So thank you guys for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.